Once upon a time, a farmer lived with his family in a quiet village. It had been a blazing hot summer, and for months, not a single drop of rain had touched the ground. The drought had turned the fields dry and lifeless. The villagers were suffering, and hope was slowly fading. One day, the villagers decided to pray together for rain. They chose a common time, and from their own homes, each family sat down to pray. At the set time, the farmer, his wife, and their 6-year-old daughter joined their hands in prayer. With a trembling voice, the farmer spoke, "Dear God, I've always believed you hear the cries of your children. Our crops are dying, and we need rain to survive. Please help us." His wife prayed quietly, eyes closed. The little girl also shut her eyes and said, "God, my father looks so worried. You can do anything, so please make it rain in our village." After finishing their prayer, the farmer got ready to leave for the fields. As he stepped outside, his daughter asked, "Papa, where are you going?" "I'm heading to the farm to check on things," he replied. The little girl ran back inside and returned with an umbrella in her hand. Her father looked at her in surprise and asked, "Why did you bring an umbrella? The sky is clear and the sun is setting." She smiled and said, "Papa, we just asked God for rain. If it starts raining, won't we get wet? That's why I brought the umbrella." The farmer paused. He looked at the umbrella, then up at the empty sky. There wasn't a single cloud. Yet his daughter believed. He stared at her innocent face and something shifted within him. In that moment, he realized something powerful. Praying is important, but what matters even more is having faith that your prayers will be answered and preparing as if they already have been. He picked up his daughter, kissed her forehead, and walked toward the fields with the umbrella in hand. That night, it rained. Not just a drizzle. It poured like the sky had been waiting for this very moment. The lesson? This story reveals the true strength of belief. Often we ask for help or wish for change, but carry doubt deep inside. Like the villagers, we may hope, but we don't always believe. But that little girl did. She didn't just pray, she prepared. Faith isn't just about hoping. It's about acting like your hope is already on its way. When you begin anything with belief in your heart, your steps become stronger and your path becomes clearer. Without belief, we quit too soon. With belief, we keep going, even when there's no sign of change. So always remember, believe in your dreams, believe in your prayers, and most importantly, believe in yourself. Because sometimes, it's not just the clouds that bring the rain. It's your faith. Want more stories like this? Click the video on your screen for more interesting stories. Share your thoughts in the comments.